Hey guys, today we are gonna be reviewing the Eula Ben Johns Hyperion 3S pickleball paddle. I've got both the thickness versions, the 16mm and the 14mm paddles. Today I'll be reviewing both the paddles and I will share my honest review and opinion about the paddles. Does thickness change your performance on the court and which player should be using which version of the paddle? I'll be answering all those questions. Running through the basic specifications, the Hyperion 3S is an elongated shaped paddle with a handle length of 5.5 inches, the length of the paddle being 16.5 inches, and the width at 7.5 inches. When measured, the weight of the paddle turned out to be 220 grams, which is lighter in feel than the Perseus 3S. I've put up a detailed review and analysis of the Eula Ben Johns Perseus 3S pickleball paddle, which you can see by clicking the link in the bio or here. Coming back to the Hyperion 3S, the paddle looks classy for sure, with the pure raw carbon face and the edge guard with the green gradient with Eula branding on the both side of the edges here and here. It has the Ben Johns signature over here, the Eula branding at the top corner and the Hyperion 3S branding along with its thickness at the bottom corner. Here you can see the UPAA certified approved symbol at the center here. One thing to note over here is that unlike the mod or the Gen 3 models, the Gen 3S models are not USAPA approved but UPAA approved. The surface is built with charged carbon fiber, which is a patent pending material by Eula. The core is a polypropylene honeycomb core which has got the thermoform filling across the edges, which you can feel while pressing on the edges. Unlike the Band Mod TA, this paddle is not made using crushed compression core, which won't give you that trampoline effect, which means as compared to the mod, the power is bit less, be it for the 16 or the 14mm. But it's still much more powerful compared to any other paddle in the market. If you want to know why Eula mod was banned, click the link in the bio or here to know in detail. Spoiler alert, it's a controversial video. So coming to the performance of the paddle, I played with both 16 and 14mm versions. In comparison to the Perseus 3S, the Hyperion definitely feels lighter on the hand as it has got a lesser swing weight, which increases handling speed of the paddle, and my drives are pretty smooth. With the 14mm, the sound is very crisp and the ball feels like a pop out of the paddle. I really enjoyed my drives with the 14mm, being superior in control compared to the mod. The drive shots are very forgiving as they lack the trampoline effect, which means greater control. The lesser swing weight helps me control the dings pretty nicely and makes the switch of forehand to backhand very easily. The spin is very decent as the grit is rougher compared to the mod or any other Eula paddle right now in the market. Coming to the player suitability, the paddle has got great power and still a very decent control. If you're looking for the extra punch and power in every shot and drives and serves, I would suggest you to go for this 14mm version as it is much powerful with its crisp shots. If you feel you require more control and have a decent enough handling to master the dings near the kitchen area, go for the 16mm version. The 14mm is much more maneuverable compared to the 16mm for sure. If you like to buy this paddle, hop onto our website www.thegodofsports.com and use the coupon code GOSYT to get additional discounts on your next purchase. We have got a complete range of paddles of top brands, Eula, Franklin, Head and much more. Original products, lowest prices and fast delivery is our promise. Till then, happy dinking.